Good day guys, in this one I will show you how to change the Notion layout. So first of all you will need to create a Notion that will actually support changing the layout. So for example I have this reading list created as you can see, and the layout that you can change, there's actually a little button for it. So you go top right, three dots, and as you can see we have a customized layout in here. So in here, as you can see, you can just customize the way everything looks. So on the left, you have the preview. In here, you can add to the panels, like different sections. And on the very right, you can see we have the page settings. So we have the structure settings, for example, the simple or tabbed, right? So you can change that. You have full width, as you can see, so that it takes a lot of the screen. And also, what do we have? The default or minimal for inline comments. So this is your layout pretty much. Also, there's a tutorial, same thing. You go to three dots. Once again, discard this. You go, for example, as you can see, this tasks to complete. There is no setting for the layout. So it has to be a supported type first. And then you go here, three dots, and customize layout. Very easy. Enjoy, guys, and see you soon.